Welcome back to my channel. Okay. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm In Jah TV, and today I'm coming at you guys with a get to know me tag. Okay, all right, so yeah, I got a couple videos on my channel now. You know, I'm still a small YouTuber, but y'all don't know me. I don't know who I am. All I gotta know is that I bought some little Instagram jewelry, which is still intact, by the way, a whole year later. Y'all know I got my skin together. Y'all know I shop at Boohoo, but y'all don't know me. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm doing the get to know me tag, and I just have a list of questions here that I found on Google. So first question says, where did you grow up? I grew up in Cary, North Carolina for the majority of my childhood, and I kind of moved around as I got older in my teen years, but for the majority of my childhood I grew up in Cary, North Carolina. Where do you currently live? I currently live in Greenville, North Carolina, because that is my college town. If y'all don't know, I went to East Carolina University. Go Pirates. But I'm leaving in like 2 weeks. How tall are you? I am short. I am 5'3", but I feel like I have long arms or legs, if you let my friends tell it, but we all the same height. But anyway, dogs or cats? Dogs with a passion. Okay, I love dogs. They're just so cute and cuddly, and they love you and they want to be around you. Cats can go. First of all, they're evil. They look evil. Oh, and plus I'm allergic to cats, so yeah. Funniest moment throughout high school? I didn't really like high school like that. Like, I had good moments, but every time I think about high school, there's nothing fond of it. This isn't funny, but it's funny thinking back on it now. But at the time, I would like, it was mean. But I remember in high school, I used to have, you know how like in the 90s they would get their hair braided and then they would burn the ends and it would make a bob. So I had the freaking Good Burger hairstyle, but I thought it was cute. So, and I remember I was walking down the stairs with my friend, and these group of girls, they was walking up the stairs and they're like, Good Burger, home to Good Burger, can I have your order please? And I'm like, that was embarrassing, but now that I'm thinking about it, it's funny because it's like, girl, why would you wear that in high school? So that's funny. It's funny to me now. It wasn't funny at the time. But it's just like, dang, okay. What year were you born? I was born in 1997. Okay, my birthday is July 14th, 1997. Cancer gang. The next drink, I mean, what? The next drink? No, the next, what in the world? I can't speak. The next question is, what is your favorite drink? Okay, for like a year, no, I'm not even gonna say year. For like 6 months now, it's been a guava white tea lemonade from Starbucks with light ice and extra sweetener. But most recently, since we've been in quarantine, my roommate put me on the iced vanilla chai from Starbucks. When I say it's good, I've been going to Starbucks every day getting that, and being that I've had a really bad habit of drinking chai tea from Starbucks, I needed to calm down. So I went and bought one of these, which is the House Farms vanilla chai. Bomb. I used to drink these a lot in high school, but I was like, let me go ahead and get one of these because I'm tired of going to Starbucks. You're wearing perfume. What scent is it? What do I wear? I don't really wear perfume. I want to start getting into perfume, but right now I wear In the Stars from freaking Bath and Body Works. That stuff smells so good, and I need to re-up on it because I'm running out. Well, this is the lotion, but see how like empty it is? I've been trying to use it in small doses. Tea or coffee? Okay, I just answered this question. Well, chai is tea, but I get a chai latte, and then I just also talked about the guava tea. But no, I'm more of a tea person. I can't really mess with coffee like that. It's too much. Next question says, what are your life goals? My ultimate life goal, I know this sounds like, oh, like money isn't everything type thing, you know, and that's how people probably respond to my life goal, but one of my major life goals is to be financially stable. Like, that's just what I want to be. I don't know how I'm going to get there because I'm still figuring out. I know I just got like graduated college and this sounds bad, but I'm literally still figuring out what my career is. But I just know that whatever it is, I'm gonna be stable. I'm gonna be financially stable. Not to get deep, but growing up and stuff, you know, those are the struggles that was very prominent in my life, and that was just something that I always knew that I didn't want to go through in my adult life. So that's one of my life goals. What sports do you play or have you played? I didn't play a sport growing up like consistently, but I was in gymnastics when I was how old was I? I was like 8 or 9, and I only did that for like a year or two, and then I just kind of fell off. The next question is, what is your favorite movie? I have 2 favorite movies, and that's Drumline and Stomp the Yard. I don't know what it is, but those are my favorite movies of all time. So I had an obsession with Nick Cannon, like, and Drumline was my favorite movie because he was in it, and I just really loved the whole college experience, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, oh my gosh, what are your favorite YouTubers? My favorite YouTubers right now is Aaliyah's Face. Love her because she be on her stuff, okay? Like, I just want to have an ounce of self-discipline that she has. So her and Jayla Majette, those are my main 2 YouTubers. I feel like I watch more, but I really just kind of bounce in between different channels, but those are the 2 people that I watch consistently. Are you single or taken? No, I'm not taken. I'm single as a pranko. How would you describe your fashion sense? I feel like my fashion is kind of like tomboy with a sprinkle of edge, with a sprinkle of girly, with a sprinkle of comfort. Like, it just really depends on my mood. Like, but sometimes I just want to wear a graphic tee and some baggy camo pants, or sometimes I want to wear some cute high-waisted shorts and a nice blouse and some cute shoes. Sometimes I want to wear heels and a skirt. Like, it's just all over the place. But I feel like my main style is kind of just like casual tomboy girly, cause like I could be tomboy but I have my face beat, you know, like, or wearing lip gloss or a bunch of accessories to go with it. What is your go-to fast food order? Baby, it depends. Where are we going? Cause I got a go-to for all of them. Okay, like if we go in Zaxby's, then I'll get me a wings and things plate. Traditional has to be barbecue, and then I get 2 extra sides of sweet and spicy sauce. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I think it's sweet and spicy. And then blue cheese. If we go to Wendy's, I get the 4 for $4. But if I'm getting something off the main menu, I get oof, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. I get a Baconator combo with a strawberry lemonade and barbecue sauce, and sometimes honey mustard sauce. Who is your celebrity crush? Baby. Trevante Rhodes, if you're watching this, you have my heart. That's my celebrity crush, y'all. He's just so fine. What are your pet peeves? I have a lot, but one of my major pet peeves is that when I am talking and someone consistently or continually cuts me off, I don't show it. Sometimes I might, like if it's just too much, it's like, okay, I don't even feel like talking no more. But Oh, I really don't like that. Or I don't like when I'm talking and the person visibly looks like they're not listening to me, but then when it's their turn to talk, they just run in their mouth like, and just talking about themselves and talking about all these stories. But as soon as I tell a story and I want to share something about my day, now you disinterested. Like, I don't like that. Because I feel like when people speak, I respect them. I give them that floor to speak. And a lot of times I don't like to be the center of attention. So when I am speaking, I'm opening up to you. I'm letting you see a part of me or come into a part of my life that I don't share with everybody. You know, I value that part of me. I value what I'm saying, so I want you to value what I'm saying. Oh, I cannot stand when people eat. Something about eating is obnoxious, but if I'm eating at the same time as that person, it doesn't bother me. It's only when like somebody else is eating around me and, you know, I'm chilling or something, they come. Relax. You don't have to do all that. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blush. Like this looks like pink, but it's a blush color. Oh, what are your favorite values in friends? My favorite values are when they don't judge you. I like that friends are open-minded. I like that friends are good listeners. And I like good-humored people because I love to laugh. So those are my values, favorite values in friends. Last question. What is one thing you wished people knew about you? If you meet me outside of YouTube, I am often seen as very quiet. I'm seen as very closed off and just like to myself because I'm a shy person. So it's hard for me to come out of my shell a lot. And my friends, I mean, I think my friends know that I'm shy, but when I'm with them, I don't show my shy side as much. So they know these things that I'm about to say right now. But I wish that other people knew that I was funny. I feel like I'm funny. I'm not too my own horn, but I feel like I'm funny. I wish that people, you know, knew that like I like to talk and I like to dance and I like to try new things, do new things. I'm not just, whatever the case may be, if people think I'm stuck up, if people think I'm too quiet, like I have a voice and I'm actually a really cool person. It's like I feel like people think that I'm boring and I want people to know that I'm not. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that concludes my video. I hope you got to know me a little bit more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.